went to the base. Come on. Come in my base, boy. Oh, I dare you. Come in. Come on. Build a ramp. Come on in.
Okay.
Literally, like, come in the door, too.
Let me go ahead and put in the code.
No!
Hey!
Mine's less than me.
1,
Let's
6.
make it 7.
And
I'm
then
gonna win.
7.
We all know that.
9.
Gabby, do you have faith in me?
Yes, I do.
I'm gonna destroy your brother. I'm sorry, Gabby, but I have to do it to him.
Wait.
You wanna say I'm talking all this smack? Yeah, all this random, all this fake smack I be talking. Finna go right after you, right?
Yay! I got the death run. I got the death run. This is a 101
Battle
level
Rangers!
space death run.
First, we have to survive the storm.
Cannot get over here.
Like, staying creative. We're gonna survive the storm, bro.
I'm gonna hit the ground running. No, come over here. Okay.
Everybody, go back to hub. We're having a fashion show. Gabby's raiding.
Lol.
Yeah,
Yay!
sure.
Okay. Our best?
I already have my phone, bro.
Well, the judge can't be here because then he's gonna see our outfits.
Bro. Gabby.
Yes. Let me go to my locker. I know what Gianni's doing. We're gonna go in creative and then invite him, but then he won't be able to see her. Okay.
I'm gonna be.
Noah, how do you like my skin?
Back on. Gabby, add me back.
Add you back? But you are my friend. What do you mean? Like, send you a friend
Back
request
on
again?
Fortnite. Add me back on Fortnite. YouTube.
Oh. Wait, let me see.
I might win the fashion show, bro.
Hey, what about me?
See your comp? Yes.
Of course, Frozen Dwarf.
From that set.
I did not mean to do that. Okay.
No, I need to this. It's
Just like it does. It's just about
yeah, boy.
Okay. So how my plan is when we walk in. So are you gonna be first in line or me? Or kinda?
I'm gonna be the line leader. Happy's in then last.
So I'm gonna be in
Are
second.
you fine with that, Kenneth? Oh. You got Gabby, Kenneth, and then me. I want to save my pick for last.
Oh, so I'm gonna go first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Johnny,
So I'm
rated off gold and black.
I'm thinking that I'll go first, then Kenneth, and then Noah.
Me.
So then I'm gonna walk in, and I'm gonna change everything